It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. A lot of people has been asking, even on my TikTok, and I just haven't got it out there. People do their makeup looks to their facial structure, so you know, everybody's makeup tutorial might not work on your face. You just have to practice with your own facial structure because everybody can't do the same contour. Everybody can't do the same concealer areas and stuff like that. So the first thing that I do is I use these. These are the Noxzema blemishing pads. Then I use my daily facial cream and I use Cetaphil. That's the only thing I have on my face right now. That's it. I get all my products from my local beauty supply store. Like, I have no name brand. I'm gonna show you guys the 3 different concealers that I use. So I use this one, this one. These are kind of the same. I don't think there's a difference to it. And then I use this lighter one. With this one, I put this down here. I literally just use a dot. Spread this out like that. I take the lighter one here. This one. Bridge of my nose. My upper lip. Put it right here. Right here. I let this sit for about, I let it sit for a good amount of time. I'll usually get lost on my phone. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. The putty that they be using, basically just to hold the brow hairs in place. So I take a spoolie out of this pack that I got from the beauty supply store, like that. Now it's time to fill in my brows. What I use to fill in my brows is this NK Makeup Eyebrow Duo Pencil.
New Chris Brown, T-Pain, you heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio, we love you.
Alright, so both of the brows are filled in, and I'm still waiting for this concealer to just dry. Makeup is almost dry, so I always do my waterline with a black liner because when I tell you I make such a big difference, to me it just looks like sexy. It just looks, I don't know, I just love doing it. And the way I do it is I just pull this down with my knuckle and then I just do the liner just like that, but I'm gonna do it in the mirror so I don't poke my eye out. So the black waterline is done. Hold on, it's getting to me. I don't know if you guys see a difference, but I do. It just looks real. This is what I use to blend out my concealer. And again, I get everything from my local beauty supply, but if you want to know the type of brush, it looks like this. Okay, this is a matte setting spray. I use a matte setting spray and I spray the brush, and then this is a clean sock, by the way, of course, but as you can see, the old excess makeup that's on the brush, I just rub it on here and then I blend my makeup. I don't know if it does anything, it just works for me. I just spray it. See, it's taking off the excess. So I blend out this first. I blend the darker parts out first, and then I go with the lighter and put the lighter over. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that. And then when you're blending, you want to pat into your skin. Don't drag it. Make sure it's giving that nice full coverage look that you want.
And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, it's so mine, baby. And we don't mind all the watching. Cause if it's getting close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. She's so.
This HD Flawless Setting Powder in the shade Brightening Banana. Just spill. Use this broken brush. I just like how it packs it on there and sets into my skin.
Stop. Let Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so thick. Now I know what it called me, the fatty. No, shit's so.
Alright, so the most I did was just bring concealer to the ends of my brows and make sure that they were sharp and even. Now it's time to contour, which is my favorite part. It's called Crayon Case, and basically it's literally a whole contour notebook. It even tells you ways that you can contour right here. Oh my gosh, the girl is a little cockeyed. Look. This one and this one, because I like how warm this one is, but this is like dark enough to give me that contoured look. So I literally just mix them two, and I use this flat brush. Go above this sharp line right here. I always bring my contour up here. You want to lift your facial structure, so I literally put it right above that, and I blend upwards like so. And then I bring it over here too, to my temple. Add a little more wherever I think it needs to be added. You can see it's bringing it all together. This one right here. And then I take this under my lip. I'll mix them two together again. And I bring my contour to my chin. Where I put that powder at up here, I just go around it really. Like that. Now it's time to contour my nose. This liquid makeup by LA Colors. I did have a contour stick, and I do need to get that back because I'm wasting so much product using that liquid makeup.
Got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. Good love. You the greatest. And if you say you ain't, girl, he's always mine. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby. Every time you come around, I'm down like computers. Crazy. Step into my heart and you put you in the tones.
I